It looks like someone was angry with the European Central Bank. Maybe savers upset with low interest rates. Low interest rates and high banking charges are shrinking savings. Even pensioners like Hans Kaiser are up in arms. But there's always the promise of profits at the stock exchange.
You don't get anything anymore. Sure, a lot of older people would prefer to buy fixed interest rate bonds. But there's a fear of negative interest rates. We'd be losing money year by year.
It's time to start gambling. It's time to take some risks. The Frankfurt Stock Exchange. Risk is bread and butter for traders here. They earn when stocks rise and when they fall. At the moment, market prices are going up. The DAX is at record levels.
But you need to keep the risk under control. Not everybody copes well with risk. Taking risks isn't a very German thing to do, but I define risk differently today. It's a risk not having stocks. If my money is in state bonds, I'm throwing it away instead of saving for old age.
A little bit here, a lot more there. Risk needs to be spread. That can work, but also fail. We're visiting fund managers. Their jobs have been getting tedious. They have to look a lot longer to find lucrative deals. 7% on government bonds is possible if you can live with the risk of a total wipeout. Investors in Greece lost half their money in the bailout haircut.
We can't promise anything, and we don't promise anything. It's always a question of relative risk. If a customer is prepared to take a lot of risk, then we can develop strategies or portfolios which produce high returns, certainly.
Some savers have taken out all their capital and invested it in real estate. That's making itself noticed. With low interest rates and cheap money, demand is growing. This is a new development in Frankfurt. A 4-room luxury flat can cost as much as 700,000 euros. But will rent income grow?
Every rise in the rent improves the relationship to the cost. Add time to the equation and there's your profit. But it's a bet on rising rentals. The predictions say that rents will go up. All the signs say they will.
There's no sign that interest rates are going to go up. But no one knows for certain.